Friends, remember the rule. The account that is receiving or gaining the value is debited. The account that is giving the value is credited. Account which is receiving or value being received is debited. The account which is giving the value is credited. So there is a question first in activity 1.1. So activity 2.1, you can see this. So open the necessary ledger accounts, enter the following transactions in the books of Mandy 24, May 1. Mandy opened a business with a capital of 60,000, of which 50,000 was paid into business bank account and $10,000 was placed in cash box for business use. So Mandy has started business with 60,000, of which 50,000 is paid into business bank account and 10,000 was placed in cash box. So that is cash account. So how do we do this? So we need to open ledger accounts, necessary ledger accounts. So capital account is the one, cash account is the another, and bank account is the another. So we have to open capital account, cash account, and bank account. So which account is giving? Capital account is giving, and which account is received? Which account has received? Cash account has received. Bank account has received. So how we proceed? So to proceed, we have opened capital account, cash account, bank account. So 2024, that is the year. So you see the year 2024. So let us assume it's -20-4. So let's assume it's 2024 itself. So that is the latest, nearest year. So then the transaction, that is on May 1st, the transaction has happened. So May 1st, what has happened? May 1st, the owner has given 50,000 to bank account. So it should not be debited, it should be credited. So capital account should be credited with the amount that is given. So it is not debited, okay? So it's credited. It should be, capital account should be credited. Capital account should not be debited. Capital account should be credited. So what account will be debited? Cash account will be debited. Bank account will be debited. So capital account will be credited. So what it has given? What is the capital account given? Capital account has given to bank and 50,000. Capital account has given 50,000 to bank account and to cash account 10,000 to cash account. So capital account has given 50,000 to bank account and 10,000 to cash account. So correspondingly, what we have to do? We have to complete the double entry. To complete the double entry, we have to write it in cash book. Cash account we have to write. So cash account has received 10,000. So who is the giver? Who has given? So capital has given. Capital has given. So similarly, bank, capital has given to bank account 50,000. So capital has given to bank account 50,000. Cash account 10,000. Bank account 50,000. So bank account should be debited with, see, bank account. Bank account should be debited with 50,000. Okay, that is the completion of the entry. So we have credited capital account, we have debited cash account, we have debited bank account. So cash has come in, bank also has received, cash account also has received. Who has given? Capital account has given. Okay. So next, purchase business property for 40,000 and paid by bank transfer. 40,000 business property for 40,000 and paid by bank transfer. That is on May 2nd. May 2nd. So May 2nd, business property account. So here, business property account. We have to open business property account. So what has happened? Business property has received 40,000. Business property has received 40,000, and who has given it? Bank account has given it. So bank account, again it has to come in bank account. So bank account has given 40,000 to business property. See, it has come here. So bank account will be credited with 40,000 and business property will be debited with 40,000. Next, what has happened? Next, let us see the next entry. What is the next entry? Purchased fixtures and fittings for 5,400 and paid by check. On 4th, fixtures and fittings 5,400. Fixtures and fittings 5,400. So open fixtures and fittings. Fixtures and fittings account. Fixtures and fittings account. How much? 5,400, and which is on May 4th. And how we have paid? We have paid through bank. 5,400 has been paid through bank, and money will go out from bank. So this is bank account. This is bank account. Money will go out from bank. So bank account will be credited. So bank account will be credited. Next, what is the entry? Loan of 15,000 from Mandy's father Clive was paid into business bank account. So Clive is giving and bank is receiving. Clive is giving and bank is receiving. Clive is giving and bank is receiving. Clive, okay. So Clive is giving. Clive is giving. Open Clive account. Clive is giving. Clive is giving. Okay. So credit the account that gives. Credit the account that gives. Clive is giving. So what date? 2024 May 5th. So what mode? Bank through. It has paid to bank. Okay. So bank has received 15,000. Bank has received 15,000. Who has given? Clive has given 15,000. So we have to complete the entry. So here we have to write bank account. So we have to complete the entry. Next, what is the next transaction? Motor vehicle. Purchase a motor vehicle for 9,400 and paid in cash. So we have purchased motor vehicle. Wait 1 minute. Motor vehicle account should be purchased, opened. So we have purchased motor vehicle. So what is coming in? Motor vehicle is coming in. So the account that is receiving is motor vehicle. So how much? May 6th, 9,400 by cash. So money is coming in. Motor vehicle is coming in. 9,400 is receiving 9,400 by cash, and accordingly cash account. Cash account. Okay. So cash account. Motor vehicle. So that is how. So how much? $9,400, and so here business property Clive business.1. So here bank. Clive has paid to bank 15,000. So that's all. Enter the opening the necessary. Enter the following transaction. The books of Mandy. So done. So we have entered all the transactions. So next, It's activity 2.2. Activity 2.2. Activity Kwame is a trader that Tabisha is one of the great customers. For June 1st, 24, Tabisha owed Kwame 122. During the month of 2024, the following transactions took place. Kwame sold goods 94 and paid to Tabisha. So prepare the account of Tabisha. So we have to prepare the account of Tabisha. So where is the account of Tabisha? Okay, so we have to prepare account of Tabisha. Activity 2.2. So books of account of Tabisha in books of Kwame. Books of Kwame. Account of Tabisha. Tabisha ledger account. Okay. So what is the question? Tabisha owed Kwame 122 on June 1st, 24. Tabisha owed Kwame 122. Tabisha owed. So Tabisha is an asset. Tabisha owed Kwame 124. June. June 1st. Balance brought down 122. Okay, so next. What has happened? Next transaction. Kwame sold goods 94 on account with a Visa. Kwame sold. Books of Kwame means sales. Kwame sold to the Visa. What date? June 4th. And again, what has happened? June 4th, sold 94. 8th returned 14. Then what has happened? Tabisa paid the amount. She owed. Tabisa paid. So money will go to Tabisa has paid. She owed on 1st June. Tabisa has paid. Tabisa has paid. So she is the giver. She has given 122. Tabisa has given. So by bank transfer. On June, what it? 24. June 29. Bank 122. So now we have to balance. Balance. How do we balance? First you put the total. One six. What is the total here? Total here is 136. So 216 minus 136. Two 116 minus 136 is this. So now we add all this plus this plus this 216. So it will match. So here this side balance carried down. Balance brought down. The same amount, whichever is here. So here it's carried down. Here it's. So this is on 1st July. This is on June 30. So carry down will become brought down in the next accounting period. So now this is done. Books of Kwame, Tabisa's ledger account, balance brought down, sales returns, bank automates. Again balance brought down means there is balance of 80 bucks at the end. Okay, so this is done. Next. Now copy and complete the table to show the entries Tabisa would make in her ledger on each date. Okay, so amount to be debited June 4th, Kwame sold goods. purchases. So when Kamesh sells, Tabisa would purchase. Kamesh sells, Tabisa would purchase. So these are the books of Tabisa. Tabisa purchases. So when she purchases, the purchase account receives, and who gives? So obviously it is Tabisa who gives. Or Kame gives. Kame gives. So account to be debited. So copy and commit the table to show the entries. Tabisa would make in a ledger account on each side. So account to be debited. Which account will be debited first? Commerce sold. So purchases account will be debited because purchase account is receiving. Purchase account is receiving, and who is giving? So obviously Kwame is giving. Kwame is giving. So next, Tabisa returned goods because they were damaged. Tabisa returned. So say purchase returns because purchase returns is giving. So then who is receiving? Kwame is receiving. Next, Tabisa paid the amount she owed on 1st June by bank transfer. So who is giving? Bank is giving and Kwame is receiving. Bank is giving, Kwame is receiving. Done. So this is done. That's it. So activity 2.2 is done.